If you've ever said, I'd love to go on a cruise, but I'm just feeling nervous or scared, then this video is for you. Hey cruisers! Today I am tackling a big one. Fear. By the end of this video, my hope is that your fears will be gone. I am going to walk you through the most common fears people have about cruising and try to give you some real facts that will help calm your nerves and get you excited to sail. Fear number 1, I'm afraid of getting seasick. Let's start with the big one. Seasickness. You're probably imagining being tossed around like a toy boat, right? The truth is, modern cruise ships are massive and incredibly stable. Most are equipped with advanced stabilizers that reduce movement, even in rougher seas. In fact, most first-time cruisers report little to no seasickness at all. And if you're really concerned, over-the-counter remedies like Dramamine or natural options like sea bands can help. Ginger chews are another favorite. Want a pro tip? Book a cabin midship and on a lower deck. That area feels the least amount of motion. Fear number 2, what if the ship sinks? Thanks a lot, Titanic. This one still lingers for a lot of people. But here is the reality. Cruise ships today are some of the safest engineered vessels on the planet. The odds of a cruise ship sinking are about 1 in 6.25 million. Ships are built with multiple safety systems, watertight compartments, and they undergo constant inspections. And before every cruise, you'll participate in a safety drill called a muster. It's easy, takes just a few minutes, and ensures everyone knows exactly what to do in an emergency just in case. Fear number 3, I'll feel trapped or claustrophobic. Worried you'll feel trapped on a ship. I hear this one all the time. But cruise ships are basically floating resorts. They're enormous. The average cruise ship is over 1,000 feet long with multiple decks, pools, lounges, restaurants, open-air spaces, and walking paths. You can walk miles each day without ever leaving the ship. If you're someone who needs natural light and space, book a balcony or ocean view room. It makes a world of difference to be able to step outside and see the horizon. Fear number 4, I'm worried about getting sick. It's completely normal to be cautious about health when traveling, but cruise lines have seriously leveled up when it comes to cleanliness. Ships today are some of the most sanitized environments you'll find on vacation. There are hand washing and sanitizing stations everywhere, frequent cleanings throughout the day, and even upgraded air filtration systems. Cruise lines also have onboard medical centers, and many follow strict CDC protocols, often going above and beyond. As with any public place, just wash your hands regularly and be mindful, and you'll be just fine. Fear number 5, I'm afraid of being bored. Let me bust this myth right now. You will not be bored on a cruise. In fact, you might struggle to fit everything in. Most ships offer nonstop entertainment, live music, Broadway-style shows, trivia games, dance classes, movie nights, water slides, comedy clubs, casinos, you name it. You'll get a daily schedule full of activities, and there's something for every age and interest. Whether you want to relax or stay active, you're covered. Fear number 6, I won't know what to do or where to go. Feeling overwhelmed about how cruises work. That's totally normal, especially if you've never cruised before. But the good news is, cruise ships are designed with first-timers in mind. The crew is there to help you every step of the way. There are signs everywhere, a daily schedule delivered to your room or available in the cruise app, and even welcome events to help you get oriented. And don't worry, every question that you have, someone else has had before too. You're not alone, and you don't have to figure it all out yourself. Look, it's completely natural to feel nervous before your first cruise. But don't let fear hold you back from experiencing one of the best vacations out there. Cruising is safe, it's fun, it's relaxing, and it's full of adventure. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with the whole family, there's something on board for everyone. If this video helped ease your fears, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And if you've got a specific concern I didn't cover, drop it in the comments, as I'd love to find out what other fears may be out there. Until next time, happy cruising, and I hope to see you on board soon.